Hello, welcome. Let's look at some nonmetals and their compounds, starting with hydrogen. Hydrogen is an element with the simplest atomic structure. Hydrogen is usually placed in group 1 of the periodic table because it has one electron in its only shell. It is the lightest of all elements. Preparation of hydrogen from water gas, also known as Bosch process. Water gas is a mixture of hydrogen and carbon 2 oxide in the ratio of 1:1. It is prepared by passing steam through a tower of white hot coke at about 1200 degrees Celsius, producing a mixture of carbon 2 oxide and hydrogen known as water gas. This water gas obtained is then mixed with excess steam and passed over a catalyst of iron 3 oxide or chromium 2 oxide at 400 degrees Celsius or 500 degrees Celsius. More hydrogen gas is produced and the carbon 2 oxide in the water gas is converted to or oxidized to carbon 4 oxide. This is an exothermic reaction. The carbon 4 oxide is removed from the mixture by dissolving it in water under a pressure of 30 atmosphere. This is known as scrubbing. Other solvents like potassium hydroxide can be used to remove carbon 4 oxide from the mixture. If there is any unreacted carbon 2 oxide, this is absorbed in an ammoniacal solution of carbon 1 metanoate. This method is cheap because cheap materials are used. Laboratory preparation of hydrogen. Action of dilute acid on zinc. This is a method to prepare hydrogen in the lab by the action of dilute acid on zinc. This is a displacement action because zinc will displace hydrogen from hydrochloric acid because it is above hydrogen in the activity series. Method: put some piece of zinc into a flat bottom flask or bottle and add dilute hydrochloric acid by means of a testo funnel. If the zinc is pure, add a few drops of copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solution to act as a catalyst. There is effervescence and hydrogen gas is given off. Allow the first gas evolve to escape to ensure that the air originally inside the flask is swept away. This is very important as hydrogen forms an explosive mixture with air. Physical properties of hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest element known. It is 14.4 times less dense than air. It is neutral to moist litmus paper. It has no action on either red or blue litmus paper. Hydrogen is a colorless and odorless gas when pure. It is slightly soluble in water, 2 parts dissolving in 100 parts of water by volume. Chemical properties of hydrogen. Hydrogen reacts with metals to form ionic hydrides. Hydrogen gives a pop sound when a flame is applied to it. This is even the characteristic text for hydrogen. It also burns with a blue flame to produce water. Hydrogen reacts with an explosion with chlorine gas or bromine to produce hydrogen chloride or hydrogen bromide. Hydrogen is a good reducing agent. It reduces copper 2 oxide to copper. Uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used in filling balloons and airships because it has a low density. Hydrogen is used in hardening fats and oil in the manufacture of margarine and other solid fats. Hydrogen gives out a lot of heat when it burns, and as a result of it, used in oxyhydrogen flame to produce a high temperature for welding metals. Hydrogen is used in the manufacture of ammonia by Haber process. In the conversion of coal to petrol, a paste of coal dust and oil containing iron oxide and alkali as catalyst is sprayed into hydrogen at 200 atmosphere pressure and 450 degrees Celsius temperature. The products are hydrocarbon gases and liquid oil. Test for hydrogen. Hydrogen gives a pop sound when a flame is applied to it. It also burns with a blue flame to produce water. Hydrogen reacts with an explosion with chlorine gas or bromine to produce hydrogen chloride and hydrogen bromide. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Like and share our videos. Thanks and God bless you.